Oh my god, please don't fall. I'm biking. It's Friday. And I'm just really excited. Getting this workout in. And yeah, just following along. For this weekend, I got a lot of stuff that's happening. And yeah. Just gotta finish this cardio sesh. Because you know, we got goals. Alright, so work day is done. Thank goodness, thank the Lord. But I got some PR packages right here, and then basically we'll go through them all. But we're gonna take pictures and stuff. Oh my god, my house is a mess. I need to clean it up. But I'm on my way with my dad to go to the mall, so I'll take you guys with me. You good? You good? Oh my gosh, where are we? Here we are. Yay, back to vlogging. Love it. So, I'm gonna put you here. Hopefully you stay. I don't know what to do. We go like this. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Okay, so I got home and me and my dad, my dad bought shoes. That was the whole point of going. So I bought shoes and then I ended up buying shoes, which I wasn't planning on buying shoes at all, but it was like, whatever. And then my aunt, oh, and then I bought hot sauce. So I put it in the fridge already. I tried it for dinner. So I ended up getting, the guy recommended, because I was like, what is your best selling hot sauce? And they said it was this one. So I got the black rose hot sauce. So I actually tried it, pretty darn good. I went to Pepper Palace at the Outlet Collection. So I love hot sauce, so anyways. And then my aunt dropped off a bunch of potatoes. So she dropped off, so I got some farm fresh eggs, and then I got some potatoes, like literally potatoes. So now I'm just gonna, I will definitely show you the shoes, but I'm gonna show you them tomorrow when I do all my content and stuff. Just because I want to spray them and then dry them and then take the photos and then I can show you. How cute is this bag? Super, super cute. And then I got Timberlands, if you wanted to know. They're so fire. But anyways, I'm gonna basically clean. I gotta wipe, clean makeup brushes, clean my house for all the content stuff tomorrow, all the products that I got. So I'm probably gonna take you along, kind of, you know, do all the things, you know, go around and just take you along with me. And then I have to self-tan, I gotta bleach my teeth, do all the things, and then, yeah. So.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much.
Good morning. I don't know if you guys can see me, probably not. We'll do this. Good morning. Hi. I opened my curtain. I'm gonna make coffee. I gotta get ready. It's a gloomy day, but let's go. This is real life, people. Real life. So last night I self-tanned and then I bleached my teeth. I fed Peanut. Oh yeah, you guys have to see him. He's cute sometimes. Say hi. Hi. He's always gets not mad at me, but he always like is rude because he wants his food right away. He's on. It's really dark and miserable outside. Let's hope it lets up because we got photos to take. All right, say hi. I'm filming you now.
Filming me? I'm not used to being on camera.
Not at all. But yeah, look at our mess. This is what it's like.
It was a successful day, nonetheless.
Eating protein bar. Very good. So I did my makeup, did reels. It's editing day. And now I have to go rich fill out lashes. Let's go.
I hear you breathe, but I can't see. if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a man.
So I just finished filming a campaign. Oh my gosh, it's so stressful doing this and my cheeks are so pink. I didn't want them so pink. But anyways, I'm getting ready. I gotta pee, pack my bag. I gotta go visit my friends at Rich Flower Lashes, which I'm so excited about. They're launching their lashes, and of course I'm gonna buy some lashes because I need more lashes. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And again, I wanted to show you the shoes that I got. Aren't they cute? So cute, I love them. Cute, cute, cute. Okay, let's get ready to go. You can say who you are, what we're doing here. You can see yourself, so you don't have to like.
Just hold on.
It's all the love of editing. You can always edit anything out. You say it, we do it.
Okay,
so we're here at Felicia Artistry. We're Rich Flower Lashes, my favorite lashes, which we love. And this is the owner.
One of the owners.
One of the owners.
Yes.
This is
So
great.
today's a launch day, and
Yeah.
we're so excited to show everybody our new collection. We have 5 natural collection, which has been highly requested by everyone. So we listen and we deliver it. And also on top of that, we actually have a lash book where you get to put 10 of your lashes. I want to grab one of the books.
Yes, let's go over here.
So this is it right here.
Yes.
And this thing is really cool. You can take it out, clean inside, put it back in. And I'm gonna show you guys how to put the lashes in. Just give me a second.
Yeah, no, for sure.
All right. So let's say,
She's a YouTuber. I love it.
perfect. So you grab your lashes and you just put it in there, place it in. So let's say you're a makeup artist, you can either write your client's name here or you can put the lash name here as well, which is amazing. And you just keep yourself organized. If you're not a makeup artist and you like to collect and want to see where all your lashes are, this is perfect.
They don't get
for
squished,
it.
they don't get
Exactly.
lost. 'Cause you know where we put them.
Exactly. And then on top of it, close it, no dust, and you can put it anywhere you want. You can put it in your drawer, you can put it in your bathroom, and it looks amazing. You can use it as decor, right?
Exactly. Yes. It even can be a table book.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
There we go.
Where's
Yeah.
that?
And the
Yeah.
material is solid. So
Yes.
come to FA or go to our website and check it out.
I will leave everything linked down below in the description bar. Tagged, you know the drill. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Love it. Yay. So we just finished Shannon's makeup. She's doing a bloodbath. Did you watch my YouTube video or no?
The 8 minutes, I did. I was like, Carla Cruz Collective
Yes.
t-shirt. I did. It was so
Yay.
cute.
Go follow her. Support her business. She's got a hat.
And a sweatshirt, but
And
not
a
this
sweatshirt.
sweatshirt.
But this is Shannon for people who don't know. Hi. Hi.
Where's the eyelashes?
Yeah, we can't wait to see the pictures after.
Me too.
Yay! Yeah.
Come on now, don't trick
No, I know, but that's what it is. So it's like, so you can see it. You know what I mean?
That's a cool setup.
Yeah. Not bad. I like it.
I love the what ifs. We all do what ifs all the time. When I was swimming in that lake, there was a lot of what ifs going in my mind. Tons. I was like, what if this massive fish swims up from the bottom and grabs me and yanks me down, right? I'm like, I'm in a lake. In the moment I'm in that lake, I'm like, there is freshwater sharks. There's no way there is.
Say hi. breakfast. So we're just having breakfast. Post run. Winnipeg Fire Paramedic Service. You did a 5K?
5K.
How'd it go?
Great. Under 33 minutes.
She's a mom of 3 people. This is Lesley, Lesley, and Lesley. There we go. Waiting for her food. Hopefully it comes soon. There we go with food. Ooh, got some eggs. Hey. So we are back home. Talk to me, Goose. Love the shirt. Took photos of it yesterday. Looking real rough, but you know what? This is real life. Real life. Just gonna food prep. So I have some onions in the thing. I'm gonna peel some potatoes, make some mashed potatoes, and then I got some broccoli cooking up in here. And then that's all my meal prep is. The rest is in the fridge. I did grocery shop. Yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys these cookies from Rich Flour. Oh, so fun, so fun. But anyway, so Peanut's eating. He's eating. He's like, yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We're just gonna do this, clean up, and most likely I'm probably gonna be editing this video, and then I would hope to watch a movie. We shall see. But yeah, nothing is worse is when you order something and it's not gonna come in until after you take photos. So now I'm like have to wait. Ugh, it's brutal. But anyways, that's for me.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good.
So I just finished, that is playing, because we're gonna watch a movie. So just finished my meal prep, all the stuff. So I'm just waiting for that to boil or to finish, and then pretty much that's it. So yeah, that's it for me from the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys don't forget to subscribe and catch me on the next